Difference between interpolation, extrapolation, and forecasting. As a statistical point of view, there is no difference between interpolation and extrapolation, but forecasting is different from this point of view. The difference between them can be expressed on the basis of their meaning, accuracy, utility, time period. Basis of difference: meaning. Interpolation: to estimate the value of unknown term within a data series on the basis of some definite assumptions is called interpolation. Extrapolation: to estimate the value of unknown term outside the data series on the basis of some definite assumptions is called extrapolation. To estimate forecasting: to estimate the future trend on the basis of past trend adjusted as per the present changes by statistical and mathematical methods is called forecasting. So this is difference on the basis of meaning. Second, knowledge of data. Interpolation: it gives the value of some past data within a series. Extrapolation: it gives the value of some past and future data outside the given data. Forecasting: it gives an estimation of future data. Third, accuracy. Interpolation: interpolated value is more accurate. Extrapolation: extrapolated value is comparatively less accurate. Forecasting: forecasting is merely an estimate which gives an idea of the trend in the data. Fourth, assumptions. In interpolation, it is assumed that the available data in the series are interdependent and have extrapolation further assumes that there will be no sudden or irregular changes in the data in future. Forecasting cannot guess the future, the casual changes. Next, difference on the basis of suitable method. In interpolation, Newton's method of advancing differences is more suitable for interpolation. In extrapolation, binomial expansion or Lagrange method is more suitable for extrapolation. In forecasting, forecast is carried out by means of personal option and opinion, area survey, analysis of time series, correlation, regression, trend analysis, solving equation are the method suitable for forecasting. So we can say, for statistical technique point of view, there is no difference between interpolation and extrapolation, but forecasting is different from this point of view, because forecasting gives an estimation of future data. Forecasting is merely an estimate which gives idea of the trend in future data.